Alright guys, gonna do a cold start. It's freaking 20 degrees out. I'm just trying to cover up the camera a little bit here from getting all freaking wet. This is a Craftsman, Yard Machines Gold Series, 5 horsepower, 42 inch. And they got a Tecumseh 5 horse on it. And she's a little cold. As you can see, there's still ice on the muffler, and we've got carburetor ice. So I've been feeding it a little fuel. We got the freaking throttle working, and the choke works. So we're gonna start it. She's a little cold. Now when we let that one warm up, I'll show you this one. This one is a Craftsman. She's got, I think she's got a 6.5 horsepower on her. Once again, she's cold. Turn it on, keys in, little choke, and prime it a little bit. And then we'll fire this one up.